Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through the process of restoring an Azure virtual machine from the backup. I logged in Azure portal. Here you need to check the backup center option. You can find it by searching backup center in the top of search bar here. So let me put here backup center. Once you click on backup center, you will get all the details. Here you will get the backup instance details. In my case, I have only one VM, but in your organization, might be you will get multiple instance details here. So I'm going to click on this backup instance Azure virtual machine. So once you click on that Azure virtual machine, within this instance, you will get the list of your VMs. So if you can see, I have one virtual machine where backup is already enabled. So now today we are going to see how we can restore backup with the replace option. Let's go through the restoration process. To restore the VM, first we need to click on this VM. Once you click on this VM, you will get the option restore VM. If you can see here, so restore VM. So once you click on restore VM, this wizard will come. Now you have to select a restore point. Restore point is nothing but a date and time to which you want to restore your VM. So select appropriate restore point based on your need. So I'm going to select this restore point. I want to restore VM with this restore point. So once you select restore point, click on OK. So once you select restore point, you will get options where you will get two restore configuration options. First, you can restore VM with the create new, means new VM will get created from that OS disk. And second, replace existing, it will overwrite the current VM. If you want to replace existing VM, then you can go with the replace existing. If you want to keep existing VM unchanged, then go with the create new. So let me first we'll go with the replace existing. Now you have to select staging location. So what is staging location? Staging location is the temporary location used during in place restore. The place populate as a staging location is the storage account in the same subscription as the vault. So this will it will just it will use to store temporary that store the restoration process. So I'm going to select my staging location. I have already, if you do not have, then definitely you need to create one storage account. You need to define staging location. In my case, this is the storage account. I'm going to use this storage account as a staging location. Users need to click on restore. If you can see now, the restoration process is validating. What is the error there? So we'll check, why its validation failed. So if you can see, whenever we want to restore any VM, that VM needs to be in a deallocated state to perform any kind of backup restoration process. So I'm going to stop that VM first. So let me stop the VM. Yeah, here we go. Now this VM is in deallocated state. Let me click on restore button. Now again it will validating the restoration. Yeah. So if you can see, validation is complete and now it's triggering restore for this specific VM. You can check the restoration status into the job. So let me go to the backup vault again. Into the backup vault, you just need to scroll down and then click on the backup jobs. Once you click on backup job, you will get the status here. You just need to click on view details. Now you can see, now it's taking snapshot. So snapshot is in progress. So now triggering restore is successful. So let me refresh this once again. So if you can see, so transfer data to vault is completed and now update the virtual machine. So now restoration is job is in progress. Here also you can see that transfer data from vault is completed now virtual machine updation is going on. Let's go back to the VM and then we'll see the changes. So let me refresh. Now let's try to the start the VM and then we'll check with the RDP. Yeah, so my registration is done. We can validate few things. Let me go to the resource group. Within this resource group you will get two disk. Check here. If you can see, this disk was the before restoration, because if you can see, this is the unattached right now, and this disk is just created and restored with the VM. You can validate time as well, like this is the 10 p.m. and let me go back to the this is the 8:36. Yeah, that's it. We have successfully restored our Azure VM from the backup. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more Azure tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.